Welcome back to another episode. I just lost $500. It was on an eval, so that's okay. But yesterday I made $500, so nothing happened. In 48 hours, I was grinding and nothing happened. And that's the price you pay to be an entrepreneur. So anyway, let's get into it from the top down. So, bullish. I was very bullish because, as you can see, this daily gap here is getting respected massively, and we are coming out of it beautifully, like centrally. So I was bullish on the daily, even though it was very choppy, very bullish because of that respect of that gap. Coming up here wasn't too much to go off, but yeah, just more bullish kind of confirmation. The hourly was bullish. We created this hourly gap down here, which is actually my market open POI. So my point of interest was was definitely going to be this hourly gap here. I wanted price to tap this, and I want to take a long out of this hourly. Very important because this hourly will come into play later on. So drop down to the 15. Yeah, nothing really happening here apart from, we would tap it into these 15-minute gaps. But nothing concerning me where I would switch my bias to bearish. No, not at all. I was still bullish. So jumping on the 1 minute time frame, which is the time frame I like to enter on. So bang, soon as we open, we tap into this hourly gap. And in hindsight, I should have bottom ticked it. And like, that's a stupid thing to say because, bottom ticking is one of those things I haven't really done that much. I want to start doing a bit more. Once I have a bit more funded accounts, I want to have an account that's for bottom ticking specifically. One account for confirmation setups, one account for higher risk. I just want to have it varied like a stock portfolio of prop firms. I like the idea of that. So I waited for a confirmation setup. So we saw the 1 minute tap. We saw the hourly tap. We saw a great reaction. So now I'm like, all right, I want an inversion of this 1 minute gap, maybe even the second gap. Can't remember which one I took. I must have just taken that one instantly. So yeah, that's where I entered. We still get that second inversion there. And my stop placement I put down here because I risked heavy because it's an eval. I wanted another 500 buckaroonies. And that stop placement in hindsight should have been down here, but look how much, it's 500 ticks. So was it a bad stop placement? I think it's hard for me to say. I don't know. Should have I put it down here? Like, yes, definitely I should have put it down here in the context of everything. Like, as in, if the ticks were 300, I definitely would have had it down here. But because of the money side of it, my brain put it here. So that was a bit of my psychology getting fucked. And anyway, so that just fucking stops me out pretty quickly. Not good. And so I lose 500 bucks. And I'm actually looking for a re-entry here. I would have taken this next inversion. This next 1 minute inversion here, I would have taken this just for a 1-to-1. I would have taken this every day of the week. Just because of that reaction we've had out of the hourly, like I was pretty confident. I didn't take this because I had a $500 daily loss limit on my eval. So I only have a 25k eval at the moment. So no trades for me after this one loss, but I just wanted to show you what I would have entered. And as we go on through the market, it's probably a good thing that they have this daily loss limit because I would have taken another trade. I would have taken this win. Pretty sure this is a win. Bang. And then I would have taken another trade, which was this one. This one. Bang. Look at that. Beautiful. We had SMT with ES out of a 15-minute gap, I'm pretty sure. Maybe not. Oh no, we didn't tap the 15-minute, but we tapped a 5 or something, and no, I think we just had SMT. Yeah, that's what it was. We had SMT. I would have entered off that for a nice 1-to-1 again. Stop down at the low here, and it kind of is a perfect 1-to-1 at London highs. Beautiful. I'm taking that every day of the week, and we got stopped out, but I think price action's just been shit this whole week. I don't know about you guys, but yeah, price action's been terrible. And yeah, that's just an L for me today. I'm kind of not that upset about it because I'm just like, I'm still learning this game, man. Like, I've only been in this game for a year, and I feel like I know exactly where the market, like, obviously, no one knows exactly where the market's going, but I'm getting a good discretionary muscle about where the market's going to go. And what I'm failing at is risk management and psychology. Then those two things, they're the things that I'm focusing on. So, look, those two things are very hard, but at the end of the day, this is what you got to fucking do to become a profitable day trader. You got to actually swallow your ego, which is big. It's a big deal. But I'm enjoying the journey, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.